Hello and welcome to the 1000 Curiosities channel. My name is Christian and today's video is about the cactus. The word cactus is of Greek origin and it was first used by a philosopher and plant biologist named Theophrastus. The plural of the word cactus is cacti. However, sometimes you can hear it pronounced as cactuses. Both pronunciations are accepted, however cacti is the most common. There are 1,750 known species of cacti in the world. However, specialists are still debating this because an exact classification is a very difficult task. These succulent and mostly thorny plants are part of the Cactaceae family. All of these species originate on the American continent, where they can be found from Canada all the way to the Tierra del Fuego. However, Mexico remains the real home of these plants. The cactus was brought into Europe by the Spaniards at the end of the 15th century. By 1575, the cactus is found in Spain, France and Italy. Germany has a true cult for the growing of cacti. There is a cactus species called Camatis basifera, which grows in the tropical regions of Africa, Madagascar and Sri Lanka, whose origin is not from the American continent. In 1890, the first cactus society was founded in Anvers, Belgium. There are many succulent plants which resemble the cacti and are called cacti in the common language. However, these plants are not related to the cacti. The most common characteristic of the cacti is the areola, a specialized structure where the thorns, new buds and sometimes flowers appear. The cactus is well adapted to a medium with little rain. Thorns defend the plant against thirsty animals and prevent water evaporation. Photosynthesis is obtained through the thick stems which store the water. There are very few cacti which have leaves, these having tiny dimensions between 1 and 3 mm and a very short life. The cacti family has a great variety of shapes and sizes. The Cereus cacti can grow up to 20 meters tall. They resemble some chandeliers. Their trunks grow gradually wider. From a distance they seem smooth, but in fact they have strong thorns. Pachycereus pringlei is a type of cactus that can reach a height of 19.2 meters. The smallest cactus species is Blossfeldia liliputiana, which reaches 1 centimeter in diameter at maturity. The plant with the strongest smell on Earth is part of the cacti family. The smell of the American cactus flower can be felt from more than 1 kilometer away. The cactus is also found on the flag of Mexico, together with a Mexican golden eagle, which sits on it and holds a snake in its beak. The pronghorn antelopes invented a method of feeding on cacti. They use a thick leaf from another plant, which they keep in their mouth to protect them, and then they look for places where they could break the cactus with their mouth without getting hurt. Animals who eat cacti sometimes die because the thorns sometimes pierce through their stomach and other internal organs. Cacti are also called the green camels due to the large quantity of water which they can store. Almost any part of a cactus can be used for multiplication. There is a certain cactus species whose juice, if consumed, can produce hallucinations. The lifetime of a cactus flower, once open, can be between 6 hours and up to 1 week depending on the species. People tried to create thornless cacti in order to be used as food for animals. The quality of cactus fodder is unrivaled and the fruit of some cacti species are delicious. The fruit of the Opuntia cactus, also known as the prickly pear, not only look very good, but they are also very tasty. They can be eaten raw or prepared, and their pigments are also used as food coloring. When fried, they taste similar to aubergines. There is a cactus species in Peru called the walking cactus which can move. This doesn't have roots, but only some growths which are covered in spines. When there is a strong wind, this cactus moves over long distances, taking its food and water from the air. The dragon fruit, also known as the pitaya, is a cactus fruit. The dragon fruit is eaten very cold, cut in half with a spoon. Dragon fruit juice is also consumed with ice. The white flowers of this cactus species only bloom at night and have a size of 36 centimeters. All cactus species are protected by a convention adopted at government level, by which they try protecting the endangered species. According to Arizona laws, cutting a cactus is a crime punishable by up to 25 years in prison. Cactus flowers are spectacular due to their various colors, which can be white, yellow, red, and even magenta. Cereus cactus only blooms at night. It is also called Princess of the Night, Honolulu Queen, Christ in the Manger, Dama de Noche, and Queen of the Night. Their flowers smell like vanilla, and their fruit are red in the shape of a pear. Their juice is used to make certain medicine, which help fight heart disease. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a like, share it with a friend, and maybe subscribe to the channel. My name is Christian, and until the next video, all the best.